Not every apartment in Rashid Yachts Marina is worth the premium, but I know exactly which ones are. I am Adnan, community specialist at Rashid Yachts Marina. I have walked every unit, studied every layout, and I tracked every handover and resale movement in this community. Some units and layout outperform for investment and others are built for lifestyle. Here's what the 1, 2 and 3 bedroom apartments actually look like. Then there is the 4 bedroom penthouse. The view, the design, the privacy, it is in a league of its own. Knowing which units will hold value is what gives my client the edge in RYM, and that's exactly what I track for them.